What's up, Speed and Stance family? Today I've got a nice nyana review nyana for y'all because this is actually our 1,000 subscriber special. So make sure to tune in and enjoy the video, man. This is something very special for me because it's actually my first time doing something like this, and I hope that more will be coming because I actually have to be focusing on the speed part. You understand? It can't just be Speed and Stance with only dance content. So hopefully there'll be more speed content like this one. And yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy. So yes, guys, this is my boy's Mini Cooper JCW. And yeah, man, I have to say, this is a pre-facelift. I'm going to show y'all the facelift in a bit. And that's my boy Nelson's JCW facelift. So now, there's not much of a difference in terms of looks, but those little touches that they made and those little upgrades that they made on the exterior view are really, really, really remarkable and impressive. I mean, the full LED headlamps and other stuff like that, it's just a nice vehicle all in all. It's a nice all-rounder. I mean, if you look at its sole competitors like your Polo GTI, what's these pocket rockets that we see nowadays, man. I mean, this car is just up there. You know, it stands a competitive chance, and if I must say, it would give a Polo GTI a tough match. So you have to watch out for this one. Now, interior-wise of this vehicle, I must say it looks pretty clean. I like the fabric. I like how the quality build material is actually on par, man. I like the unique door cards, especially with the sound system. And if you must know, it is a Harman Kardon sound system. You know, I like the gauges and the digital look, sort of retro look that they have to it. The buttons there, the start button, traction off and all that, including the infotainment system with that sort of ring light that it has around it, man, it really looks remarkable. I mean, it's something very different from your usual cockpit that you have with other hot hatches. And Mini Cooper really outdid themselves with this build, man. Now, I must say this car came in pretty clean and it's always kept clean. And I really like the sunroof that it has, double panoramic sunroof, you know, with the black roof lining. So it makes it 10 times better in terms of aesthetics and how it just looks in general. You're not too worried about having to clean up that roof lining, because black is it just hides a lot of the dirt and grime that you may get. I don't know how you get your roof lining dirty, but it happens. Now, moving on to the front and just the exterior of the vehicle. I mean, it does look pretty nice. Build quality, exterior looks of the vehicle, the exaggeration on the front bumper, that fish eye headlamps. I mean, yo, man, still really looks beautiful. I mean, yo, man, this car, guys, it packs a lot of power too, and I'm gonna give you the figures just now. y'all a few raising yana so you can hear what it's about. Yeah, man. So yeah, that's how she sounds, man. Sure. So yeah, now I guess y'all have been wanting to see how she performs on the road, and yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna show you in about the next clip or two. I never know it's rush hour, but yo, net fella hanya NFL, it shows you its capabilities.
Eish. And it's a stock.
It's a stock standard.
Actually,
True. I tell one in a few years' time, what the wits are saying.
the plan gets a bar.
Ne,
I get a bar.
blessings to you, my G.